The HDRP Detail Map Generator is a Unity editor extension that streamlines your workflow. Through a visual interface, it allows you to quickly combine separate PBR textures, such as Detail Albedo, Detail Normal, and Detail Smoothness, into a single HDRP-compliant detail map, significantly accelerating the creation of material detail layers. Let's dive into the core highlights of this tool. Our tool delivers one-click smart conversion for instant efficiency, full Unity 6 compatibility for seamless workflow, and eliminates manual channel splitting to save your time. With native roughness support, your free PBR textures are one-click ready. Up to 16K texture support on Windows and macOS for stunning details, and smart export and naming to keep everything organized. Navigate to the menu bar and click Tools, HDRP Tools, HDRP Detail Map Generator to open the tool. Drag the Detail Albedo texture and Detail Normal texture into their respective texture slots. If the Detail Normal texture has an incorrect texture type, the tool will display a warning message along with a Fix Now button. Click it to quickly correct the texture type of the Detail Normal texture. Select Detail Roughness Map as the smoothness source, then drag the Detail Roughness texture into its corresponding texture slot. Confirm the output folder path. Choose the default resolution mode Max Input, which uses the maximum resolution among all input textures as the output resolution, and click the Generate Detail Map button to create the detail map texture. Drag the generated detail map texture into the detail map slot of your material to observe changes in the material's appearance. If Detail Smoothness Map is selected as the smoothness source, drag the Detail Smoothness texture into the corresponding texture slot. If the resolution mode is set to Min Input, which uses the minimum resolution among all input textures as the output resolution, click Generate Detail Map to produce a new detail map texture. Selecting None as the smoothness source means no separate smoothness roughness texture will be used. The tool will apply a default fill value of 0.5. If resolution mode is set to custom, you must manually specify the output resolution, range 32 to 16,384. Generating a 16K detail map will require additional processing time. The Output Settings section includes a Choose Folder button to manually set the save path for the detail map. If no path is specified, the tool will automatically save the detail map to the common directory of all input textures. Enabling Overwrite Existing Files will replace any files with the same name in the output folder when generating the detail map texture. Thanks for watching.